I'm sharing my screen. Share the screen.
So on the bottom, we have a screen sharing option. Make it full screen.
I think it is visible, sir.
Make it full screen. There is a full screen option.
I think it is full screen now, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, fine.
It's okay now.
Not a full screen?
Yeah, you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I start, sir?
Yes, you can start.
Sir, good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Narendra Khatri. I did my PhD from LNM Institute of Information Technology, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I worked in the area of wastewater treatment, and especially my domain is interdisciplinary research in the mechatronics engineering. I have submitted my thesis. I have developed various aspects of the smart embedded control system or smart decision support system for the wastewater treatment plant. Earlier, I have developed various artificially intelligent models for the prediction of the quality. Here in this presentation, I am going to present the order quantification with artificially intelligent nodes in the wastewater treatment. In this presentation, I am going to cover, I will introduce the problem, then literature review, then methodology, what I have adapted, and then data collection and processing, then result and discussion. As we all are aware that normally what human being is doing or the human olfactory works in this way that whenever we are smelling something, we are processing this information, and as per that particular smell which we are getting from the environment, our brain will process and proportionally we will take decision. So in the similar manner, we are going to design and develop a smart nose which can be used, or artificially intelligent nose which can be used for the decision support in the case of wastewater treatment. So in that case, the novelty which we are doing, we are not developing any machine or a device, we are using the already available artificially intelligent nose. But what is our contribution? Our contribution is that the whatever the information we are retrieving from the earlier developed models, earlier developed nodes, we are processing it in a smarter way with new and novel machine learning technique to obtain the better result and close decision for the enhanced efficiency, for the enhanced energy saving and enhanced operation, as well as the uh, environmental protection. So in this case, we have taken the basic of the human oscillometry for that particular reference, and then we have used this section for our research. In that case, what we are going to present here, that the human oscillometry is working in that particular order reception from our nose, then brain will process a neural system, and then we will take the decision. So in the same way, what we are doing for the our wastewater treatment plant, we are having the artificial oscillation. It will, that is a sensor array, that is a collection of sensors which senses the information, and then data processing unit which will process the information and make the data compatible for the system, or that is a smart machine learning algorithm where we will implement it out. And proportionally, there will be a decision support system which will take the decision as per the recognition. So why this terminology come into the existence? Because the Maldras release from the wastewater treatment plant caused health issues, nuisance in community. Because in earlier days, what was the actual idea? The wastewater treatment plants were set up outside the community or the residential area. But the exploration of the small cities, all these wastewater treatment plant came inside that. So as earlier we are having the decision support system for that particular, but we need to control the order also. And as per the order, we need to take the decision. So in that case, again, it causes the atmosphere contamination. Then management strategies to mitigate the order nuisance entail monitoring, assessment, and controlling the substances generated. So in this way, we have taken that issue, and the particular aspect on which we have worked, that is the data signal pre-processing, then feature extraction, feature selection, then classification, then regression, clustering, and then validation with the existing technique or with the real-time data if it is able to recognize the particular level of expectation. So in that particular, what is the objective of our study is to process the data which is collected from the artificially intelligent nodes to make the intelligent decision support for the wastewater treatment facility. The methodology which we have used for that is linear regressions, then artificial neural network along with the particle swarm optimization and the support vector machine. That is a linear regression. That linear regression technique is a technique which we are using from the for the machine learning technique, in which we are fitting the algorithm and we are predicting the output as proportional to the previous character, and it should be linearly fit. That is a fit. We are fitting our data and we are trying to conclude the decision. In the second way, the artificial neural network particle swarm optimization. That is artificial neural network which we are designing for that particular processing. Then we are optimizing the best model out of that using the particle swarm optimization. In that particular, we have selected few of the parameter which we are retrieving or we are getting from the measurement system.
Sorry for the interruption. Last 2 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that at ANN, we have developed and designed the various artificial neural networks, and then from these artificial neural network, what we are doing, we are optimizing the best out of that, which is providing the best support using the particle swarm optimization. Then third one is the support vector machine. It is also the technique where the information is clubbed into each other, and it is very difficult to decide using the linear mechanism or regression mechanism wherever we are using the support vector machine for the taking decision of the developed algorithm. In that particular case, the methods which how we developed and how we compared, that is, we have developed or built the model and that data set, and then the division of data set was in this way, that is a training data set, testing data set, and validation data set. We have trained for the ANN model, then tested and validated. Similarly, for the multiple linear regression, we have did that. For the support vector machine, we have did that, and we have analyzed the performance using the correlation coefficient, mean absolute deviation, and root mean square error, and the mean absolute percentage error. In that particular case, what we have observed, that is for the correlation point of view, that is for the prediction and the decision related to that, the best result which we got in that particular is for the support vector machine. Support vector machine, that is a machine learning technique, outperform the best, and it support us for the it support in a optimum way for the decision making, which indirectly saves the energy, proportionally enhances the quality of the decision, as well as reduces the order level in the nearby region. So that is the concluding remark from my side. That is, advanced machine learning technique will enhance the quality of the decision system from the quantification of wastewater treatment plant. It enhances the quality of the treated water. It enhances the energy efficiency of the wastewater treatment plant. These are the references. Thank you, sir. Any question from audience side?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Khatri. Any question from the audience? It's time for discussion. So, I think the question is now so far.
Yes.
Okay, so